Hey guys, this is me, Blackbird again, and today we're going to show you guys what's inside of a HotHands packet. Now, I used this one a long time ago in the winter, and I just had it for a couple of years just lying around, and I want to show you guys what's inside. So, it consists of cellulose, iron, activated carbon, vermiculite, and salt. Now, it might be kind of hard for you guys to see, but yeah. Okay, so that's what's inside of it. Now, I found a wild cocoa inside my room, but I can use my scissors, and we'll see what's inside. How do I do this? Okay. So as you guys can see, I opened it. Now you can dump it on this paper. Okay. So that's what's inside of HotHands Coco's investigating. And we can also see if it's magnetic. So don't eat that. I mean, it should be because there's iron in it. But yeah, now my fingers are really dirty. So yes, guys, that is what's inside of HotHands. If you're wondering, there's all this different stuff. You could use a magnet to separate out the iron, and I will see you guys later.